You have 3 seconds to get the attention of visitors as soon as they land on the store. Then you got to get them to either make a purchase, sign up for a newsletter, or play a game that could lead to a purchase. Introducing Spin the Wheel. Now let's find out how to set this up on your store. Let's begin by logging into your store. Then click on Marketing, scroll down a bit, and click on the Spin the Wheel link. Now before we go ahead and add a campaign, let's take a look at another test store with a couple of campaigns already set up. If you've added campaigns earlier, they will be listed on this page. You'll see the campaign IDs, the campaign names, start and end dates, and since today is already the 6th, both these campaigns have ended. Now to the right, you'll see 4 icons. The first being the eye icon. If you click on it, you'll see what the pop-up looks like. The second is the graph icon. If you click on it, you'll see stats for the campaign. For example, the participation rate, how many people took part in a campaign, conversion rates, and so on. The third is the pencil icon. If you click on it, you can edit the campaign. We'll go into this later when we add a campaign for ourselves. The last being the bin icon. If you click on it, you will just delete the campaign. Let's add a campaign. Let's give it a name. Let's set a start date and an end date. If we place the game on the front page, when a visitor plays it, they'll get a discount and they can apply it immediately. If you place it after a payment is made, a visitor or a customer would play it, get a discount, and now they have a reason to come back to the store and make another purchase. You have 4 themes to choose from. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. I'll go with the third theme, right? Now you can change the background color of this area. Let's see how to do it. Since this is the Olympics, let's go with something that's gold. I think I'm happy with this. Yeah. Okay. I'm happy with the font and the font color, so I'll leave it there. Let's give it a title. Now let's edit this part of the text. If you want to, you can even edit the button text, but I'll leave it just as it is. Let's add discounts to the wheel. Go ahead and click the Add Discount button. Your discounts will be displayed in the pop-up. Here's a pro tip. To make it easier to search for particular discounts, name your discounts similar to your campaign name. Here's an example. The word Olympic is in the campaign name as well as the discount name. I'm going to add all these 3. And then I'm going to save campaign. So the campaign has been saved. So your pop-up will look like this when it appears on your front page or after payment is made.